Hello. Inviting some attention of yours towards a way of working and organizing that I've been practicing some of the elements of specifically for the last year and practicing within a body of work called self-organizing organizations or systems or networks for probably 5 or 6 years at this point. And this person and this collection of her works, Going Horizontal by Samantha Slade, super helpful, extremely accessible, fun and enjoyable to read, practical and iterative progression to shift from rigid, inflexible, expert-centric hierarchies, sound familiar? Towards autonomous, purposeful, and generative networks as organizations, right? Fundamentally different structures, okay? And since a lot of what I'm exploring and interested in is within the broader world of living systems work, yes, this is a way of organizing that more deeply is in reference to and reverence of living systems. And guess what? As a human, working with humans, you're working in a living system. And a lot of the ways that we've come to accept as conventional and traditional of organizing aren't particularly well constructed to work in living systems. So I'll just give you 3 examples. So there's 7 specific practical shifts, ways of practicing being in self-organizing modes, and just three. So decision making, right? Meetings, those things that we all love so much, meetings, and relationships and conflicts, right? The way that Sam works with these things is very different, much more enlivening, much richer in the nuance and the subtlety and the welcoming and the inclusiveness of all of these constructs, and increases autonomy and accountability, increases creativity and productivity. And I can vouch for this, having done it and led our organization through it and our client organizations. And so check this out, read the book for sure. And if you are based on the east coast of Australia, specifically in Brisbane, Sydney, or southern and south coast New South Wales, an invitation for you to attend a training hosted by Campfire Co-op, led by Samantha and her team from Percolab in Canada. I'll be attending one of the trainings, and come and feel this work for yourself. Come and sense into what's possible for you and your team, and have a much more generative, productive, creative, inclusive experience in your organization. Come give it a go. Let's go horizontal.